Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Reinstalling Outlook 365 is straightforward, especially if you're experiencing issues or want a clean slate. Since Outlook is an application within the Microsoft 365 suite, you will reinstall the entire Office package. First, you need to uninstall the existing software. Close all open Office applications like Word and Excel. Next, go to your Windows Start menu, click on Settings, then select Apps. Scroll down or search for Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office in the installed apps list. Click on it and choose Uninstall. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the removal. This step might take several minutes. After the uninstallation finishes, restart your computer. This is an important step to ensure all temporary files are cleared. Now, to reinstall, open your web browser and navigate to office.com. Sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription. Once logged in, look for the Install Apps button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click this button and select a Microsoft 365 apps from the options. The Office setup file will then download. Locate and run this downloaded file. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen to complete the installation process. This installation can also take some time, depending on your internet connection speed. Once everything is installed, open Outlook. You will likely be prompted to sign in with your email account, and your previous settings and emails should begin to synchronize.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.